Hey Google, activate Savannah Sunset.
Alright, activating the Savannah sunset.
In my setup, I'm using the Philips Hue white and colour ambience bulbs, which give you the full RGB colour spectrum of light. You can also buy the Philips Hue white ambience bulb, which gives you different shades of white only. Using the Hue app, you can set up and control these lights in any way you like. You can assign multiple lights to location profiles around your home, from your living room to your garden, which will let you control them as a group. If I want, I can also control each light individually. The Hue app also provides a nice selection of adjustable preset colour scenes to suit your mood for how you want to spend your evening.
Now, a really cool way to control these lights is with a smart speaker such as the Google Home Mini or the Alexa Echo Dot. I'm using the Google Home Mini, so you can use simple voice commands like this. Hey Google, turn lights to orange.
Okay, changing 2 lights to orange.
Hey Google, activate Arctic Aurora.
Sure, activating the Arctic Aurora.
Hey Google, dim lights to 30%.
Sure, setting 3 lights brightness to 30%.
Hey Google, activate read.
Okay, activating the read.
In the Hue app, you can also set up routines. These include a home and away routine, which activates your lights to make it look like you're home when you're out, and the wake up or go to sleep routines, where you can time your lights to wake you up or go to sleep in a more natural way. Also within the Hue app, you will find dozens of links to some very cool third-party apps, which are designed to enhance your smart home lifestyle and come under different categories such as entertainment, well-being and comfort. Now, one app which is definitely worth mentioning is the Hue TV app, which uses your smartphone to track and synchronize the colours on your TV screen with your Hue lights. You really need to try this app, as my video clip here doesn't do it justice. This app will give you a full 360 immersive experience when watching movies or playing games. Another interesting app to look out for is the Lightbow app, which includes hundreds of preset light shows. My favourites are the fireworks light shows, which are really cool. So how do you get started and set this up in your home? Well, for a very basic system, all you will need is a single Philips Hue light bulb and a Philips Hue bridge, which is how I got started. The Hue bridge is important because it connects all your bulbs to your home Wi-Fi network, and each bridge can connect up to 50 light bulbs. You can also buy Philips Hue starter kits, which include several light bulbs and a Hue bridge, and are probably the most cost-effective way to get started. Philips also offer other ways to control your bulbs, such as the Hue dimmer switch and the motion detector. Both of these devices are very easy to set up, as they are wireless and powered by batteries. So for my pros and cons, for my pros, you can choose from 16 million different colours. You can control them with your voice or a smartphone. There's lots of additional hardware such as switches, sensors and light strips. And there's a big range of compatible apps. For my cons, the Hue light bulbs are a bit expensive at the moment, but the price should come down in the future. You do also need a Hue bridge to connect your light bulbs to your Wi-Fi network. And the Hue bridge uses a wired connection to your router, as there is no Wi-Fi option. So overall, even though these light bulbs are a bit expensive, I do highly recommend them, as they really do create a very relaxing and entertaining environment for your home. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you're interested in these light bulbs, please check out the product links in my description below. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and hope to catch you in my next video very soon.